Day 11 has started. We're going to the second day of Comiket.
Yeah.
Hatsuya breakfast. Sorry that I didn't snap too much on the Comiket, but you know, we have a lot of work here. Comiket is going to end soon, like in an hour, probably people will leave. And I feel that we can make a summary. I think it was a really productive day. We talked with a lot of great artists also today. I think we learned a lot about the comic market here, how to what are the needs of artists here in Japan, and what we can do to help them. Hey.
Hey, please see my wares.
Oh, so how it went?
Good job.
Yeah, that was really productive.
Yeah. The same. I have the same.
Hey. It was too much for you, I think, Karna. It's a joke. Karna didn't drink beer, it was coffee. So strong, she passed away. And how do you like ODAIBA? We are in Shimbashi again and going with Agata and Bartek for Chinese dumplings again. That was solid, very good.
Thank you, Koki.
Ah, yeah, thank you, Koki. For all of you that are curious what this Japanese button do above our homepage, is just a temporary solution for Japanese artists. Our intention was to make it easier for Japanese users to switch to Japanese version of our website. We are at our Japanese small place. This is t-shirt that is drying behind me, Mangaido t-shirt. I think we can summarize the second day of Comiket, one day ahead of us. It went great. We again met a lot of great artists. It's nice that a lot of them were really curious about what Mangaido is and how we can help artists. I'm now sure we will be in December on Comiket to again try to find new artists. And in the meantime, we'll try to build like a serious Japanese version of our website with Japanese team. We want to be able to respond quickly to Japanese artists' emails like we do with Western users in English. I hope that in next 6 months we'll be able to create a good support for not only Japanese but Chinese and Korean users. And now, big announcement, we have a new team member from Russia that is helping us a lot with Russian translation of our website. Thank you, Yana. Tomorrow, the last day of Comiket, so I need to prepare. See you guys, see you tomorrow.